I think my take-home message for pharmacists would be that fluids are drugs. You and the rest of the healthcare team should think about them in that way. Really thinking about stop dates or, putting set parameters on how long the fluid is going to run. Being intentional with conversion of all of your IV piggybacks from IV to intraoral, because again, acknowledging that even if it's an IV piggyback, those drugs do have IV fluid diluents that contribute to their fluid balance as well as electrolyte abnormalities. And they also, you're probably going to need an IV flush for those meds and for line patency and et cetera. And all of those things, again, continue to contribute to fluid balance. So acknowledging that they are drugs and acknowledging that you as the pharmacist and the drug expert, this is within your realm of practice and expertise to play a role in patient care.